In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Odoo. This guide will help you navigate to the right place and choose the best option for your setup. So, let's dive right in and ensure you have Odoo ready to go in no time. First things first, you'll want to visit the official Odoo website, where you'll find a dedicated download section. This is your main hub for obtaining the software. Whether you're opting for the Community Edition or you have an enterprise license, everything you need is here. The Community Edition is open source and free to download, while the enterprise version offers additional features that require a valid license. Make sure you know which edition suits your needs better before proceeding. Once you're on the download page, you'll notice that Odoo provides several options to suit different platforms. This flexibility means it's crucial to select the one that fits your particular environment. You will find versions available as a Windows executable. Perfect if you're operating on a Windows system and prefer a straightforward installation process. For those of you using Ubuntu or Debian, there's a handy .debi package available. This package is tailored to Linux distributions that use Debian packaging, which makes it exceptionally convenient if you're already familiar with the Linux command line. These .debi packages ensure compatibility and a smooth installation process. Similarly, if you're operating on a system that handles RPM packages, you have the option to download the corresponding RPM file. This is particularly useful for users on Red Hat-based distributions like Fedora or CentOS. And the flexibility doesn't stop there. If you prefer a containerized approach, they also offer Docker images. This is an excellent choice for those who favor a more modular deployment method, allowing Odoo to run consistently across various computing environments. Lastly, for developers or tech enthusiasts who like to tinker with the code, source files are available. This option might require more technical skill, but it offers unparalleled customization and control. Remember, when choosing the format you wish to download, consider your operating environment as well as your personal preferences or any enterprise requirements you might have. Each of these formats comes with specific installation steps, so be sure to follow the instructions provided for your chosen option. And that's the basic overview of getting Odoo downloaded onto your system. As always, double-check the system requirements to ensure compatibility, and don't hesitate to seek help from the community if you encounter any issues. This completes our guide for today. You should now feel more confident in selecting and downloading the appropriate version of Odoo. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring Odoo.